Hello, I'm in a 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side first, you go through, find a lever here, the little resistance you pull and should hear like a little pop sound. That released the safety. So you can see what it looks like behind this. There should be like a cable. You can see it there. For some reason there's not a cable attached there, there's no tension at all. You want to go back in there and find it and attach it and tighten it if you can. So that runs up to the safety. So then from up here, now the hood's a little loose. Pull it up. Most cars the lever is like right in the middle. So this one you will push this way and pull up. So I'll push it over, lift up. So that was hooked onto this. If you're having issues at this part, maybe the hood's not aligned quite straight, or this is off center for some reason, so you could adjust that. Maybe clean any debris out, and WD-40 is needed. So you can get this to push and release properly. And then those cables I mentioned, they run up under here to this release. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.